be recalled that the tanker explosion, which occurred in Major town of Daura local government area of Jigawa state, killed 90 people and about 50 been hospitalized. It is in line with this, the 2023 presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, paid a condolence visit to the Jigawa state governor at the government house, Dutse.
Life of every Nigerian is important, and life of 180-something calls for a very serious attention by all Nigerians. And I feel that I will have to be here personally to condole the good people of Jigawa State and assure them that Nigerians are with them at this time. We've had tankers explosion all over Nigeria. People will question why people get involved whenever we have the situation. Our prayers that to Almighty Allah to forgive them their sins and grant them eternal rest.
Jigawa State Governor Umar Namadi said the death toll climbed to 180, with 81 receiving treatment.
Since the happening of this instance, we have been trying to at least keep the people in a little bit so that we will improve their livelihood. The situation is quite bad. As at today's count, about 181 people died, and I think we have almost 81 hospitalized. So the number, and this is quite big. So, and alhamdulillah, we thank God that whatever happens is from Allah, and we have accepted it. Is from Allah, and Allah knows the best, and we are sure Allah knows the better than we love them. So all we can do is to pray that may Allah forgive their sins and their shortcomings.
Jigawa State Government is extending support to the families of victims of the tragedy. Muhammad Adamu, AIT News, Kano.
AIT.live, on air, online, online.